Well done last night. That was a fun watch, Daniel.
Appreciate it, Dan. And I think if we want to start our own scouting service, we're on the same page in terms of what the Browns should have done.
Yeah, you agree with me? You would have gone Darnold and Chubb?
Yeah, that would have been 1 and 4 for me. I think you got to get the quarterback first, and I thought Darnold was the best option. And then, pass rusher, the top pass rusher staring you right in the face. I liked Denzel Ward a lot, but I wouldn't have passed on Bradley Chubb.
Okay, but how do the Browns – what is their strategy? Explain to me what they're doing with these 2 draft picks.
Well, first of all, they're destroying the myth that John Dorsey is all about traits, which is what we'd heard forever because they got 2 undersized guys with the first 2 picks. But you've got 2 ultra-competitive kids, and you've got 2 guys, you can factor in the fact they've both won a heck of a lot. So I'm sure that factors in a little bit as well. But, no, I just think you had a chance to get Sam Darnold. I would have done that, and I would have gone and got the pass rusher.
What if the Browns had taken Saquon Barkley and then taken whatever quarterback was how do you think that would have played out? If Browns go Saquon Barkley, and then what happens 2, 3, and then what's available at 4 for the Browns?
I think it probably would have gone Saquon Barkley, Bradley Chubb, Sam Darnold, and then they'd be sitting there at 4, and I think they probably would have got Baker.
Doesn't that make more sense?
Yeah, but I think if you were in love with Baker, which they obviously were, they didn't want to take a chance. The most important thing was they come out of this thing with their top quarterback, who they think has the best chance to be successful, and you had to do that at 1, even though there's probably a pretty good chance you could have got him at 4.
For more Dan Patrick Show, tune to Audience Channel 239 on DirecTV or download the Dan Patrick Show app.